Every man should apply these to their lives. 9 tips to become the ultimate alpha male. Let's dive in. First, confidence. Know who you are and where you're going. Confidence shows strength, self-assurance, and resilience. Second, confrontation. Remove all fear and stand your ground. It's crucial to show strength and defend your principles. Third, control. You must master your emotions and actions. True strength is controlling yourself, not others. Fourth, charisma. From your look to the way you talk, charisma attracts respect and influence. Fifth, carefree. Embrace a carefree attitude. Don't stress over what you can't control. Live fully and prioritize freedom. Sixth, capable. A real G has the skills and resources to handle any situation. If not, he finds a way by any means. Seventh, charitable. Generosity without expectation. A real G gives freely. 8, creativity. Be creative with everything you do. If you take your girl out, be creative and stand out. And lastly, be calm. Panic brings negative vibes. Stay calm to show emotional control and rational thinking. Apply these 9 simple rules daily, and you'll start to attract what you want. Share this to someone you think is a snowflake. Like and follow for more. Cheers.